Hello and welcome to Montech. In this video we would like to provide you with an overview of our online e-shop. From the top of any page, click Shop in the menu to transfer to our e-shop. To see prices or place an order, you'll need to log in by clicking the icon of a person. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one under Register. Let's go back to the shop, where you'll find over 1300 products to choose from. Sorting functions help you find an item quickly. For example, if you are looking for a floor stand RB40 roller conveyor, select the product group Conveyor Belts, Roller Conveyor RB40 and then Accessories RB40. All the accessories for the RB40 roller conveyor will now be displayed. For some products, such as this floor stand, you can enter the desired dimensions in the article overview. If you know the part number of the desired product, you can use the search function to find it, just as quick as entering the name or a partial number of a product. For most all products, you will receive detailed technical information, dimensional drawings, and you can share this data via email or share it on social networks. You can also download CAD data from the many components that comprise our quickset aluminium profile system. Once you find the right product, select the quantity and place the item in your shopping cart. The price, packaging and shipping costs, as well as your terms and conditions, will be detailed in your shopping cart. You can now check out, place your order and benefit from at least 5% discount, or you can download the offer and order later. We hope you have seen how easy and user-friendly it is to use our e-shop and look forward to your online visit. A big thanks from your Montech team.